In this video, you will learn how to fix WhatsApp status not showing iPhone. Many people face issues where they can't see other people's statuses or their own status isn't visible to others. This can be frustrating, especially if you want to share updates with friends and family. I will walk you through some simple steps to resolve these issues. To start, let's check the app permissions for WhatsApp. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down to the very bottom of the Settings menu and tap on Apps. Here, you'll see all the applications installed on your device. To find WhatsApp quickly, tap on the search bar at the top. Type in WhatsApp and hit search. Once you see it in the results, select the WhatsApp application. Now tap on Contacts. If this is set to none, it needs to be changed. Choose either limited access or full access. Selecting limited access allows you to choose which contacts WhatsApp can access, while full access gives WhatsApp permission to access all your contacts. Once you've adjusted those settings, go back and make sure these options are toggled on: live activities, background app refresh, and cellular data. These settings ensure that WhatsApp can operate smoothly in the background and stay updated with any changes made by your contacts. After making these adjustments, check if WhatsApp status is now visible. If it still doesn't show up, don't worry, there's one more step. Exit out of Settings and open up the Apple App Store. We'll check if there's an update available for WhatsApp. In the App Store, tap on the search bar and type in WhatsApp and hit search. If there's an update available for WhatsApp, go ahead and tap Update. This ensures you have all recent fixes that might resolve any lingering issues with your status visibility. And that's it. By following these steps, adjusting permissions and settings, and updating your app, you should have resolved any issues with your WhatsApp status not showing. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.